everyone, it's Eileen from Bates Photography, and I'm here today to let you know that we believe the absolute best wedding photography camera from Sony is in fact its flagship Sony A9. All of the photos that you are seeing now are from recent weddings that we have photographed using the A9. My husband and I both have worked with other Sony full-frame cameras at our weddings, including the brand new Sony a7 III and the Sony a7R III. You will find these full frames along with our Sony A9s in our wedding bag kit. A few months ago, we listened to Jason Lanier rave about the new Sony a7 III for weddings, and we were very excited to order it and see how well it performed. Both the a7 III and the a7R III with its 42 megapixels are fantastic for portraits and detail shots and basically anything that is more on the pose side of things. However, there seems to be a lag in getting both of those cameras to get the focus perfect when the subject is moving. We have talked to Sony Pro support about this issue, and we understand that future lens firmware updates may make it smoother, but when you are in the fast-paced business of shooting weddings, you need the speed. Of course, the Sony A9 is designed to capture fast-moving sports, and I consider any wedding day a fast-moving sport that needs a camera capable of capturing the perfect moments and doing so with perfect focus. The A9 is approximately $2,500 more than the new Sony a7 III, but I can honestly tell you, for the autofocusing with the A9, it makes it worth the extra money. You never want to get a blurry shot when you hear, "You may now kiss the bride." You need to nail that moment. I have complete confidence when shooting a wedding with the A9. It has a smoothness to it that can't really be explained but can be felt, especially when you compare the camera directly to the less expensive full frames like the a7 III and a7R III. My husband and I are both huge Sony fans and love all of our cameras. We started with the APC Sony a6300s, moved to the a6500s, and from there we knew we needed the full frames for weddings. If you love Sony cameras as much as we do, and you are shooting weddings or thinking of getting into wedding photography, then hopefully you will find this video helpful on your journey. Of course, this is just our opinion, but with our whole hearts, we believe that as of summer of 2018, the Sony A9 is the best camera for weddings.